Hey guys, good morning. So I'm getting everything ready so that we can go to the farm this morning. Say hi, baby. Say hi. So I'm just getting us ready so we can go to the farm. I'm gonna go pick up my grandma. It is about 9 a.m. and we've been up since 7, so it's been a long morning. But I know she's gonna fall asleep in the car, and it's gonna be about over an hour drive to go pick up my grandma and then go back on the side of town to go to the farm. So it should be fun. And I'm not sure where we'll go after that. We'll probably go out to eat, but I'll just see. It's totally up to my grandma. So yeah, I will vlog in a little bit. Bye. Alright, so we're here at my mom's house picking up my grandma. And I don't have any sunscreen, so I'll probably have to go stop and buy some sunscreen. I'm not looking forward to that. Hopefully there's a Walgreens around there because I really don't want to go to Walgreens around here. So alright, so we're here at the zoo. I'm just nursing her because she's being a drama queen right now. And I just bought some sunscreen and I bought some water. And it's actually really hot outside. My grandma just went over there. I don't know what she's doing right now, but got a stroller all out and we're about to leave whenever she stops crying and being a crybaby. Hi! Look! Look at the koi fish. Baby. Is it baby? Good baby. There's no one in there? In the cages? Look, are you looking at the bird? What is this one? His name is Rocco. Look, Adeline. Look at the bird. Look. That one's being a grumpy girl and she's eating her goldfish. You gotta keep it in your mouth, Mama. Keep it in. No, you didn't. Look, Mama. Look. Look at the birdie. Oh. Some more birds. Look. Look. What is that? Is she looking at you? Hello. Hello. Look at the duckies, Adeline. The duckies. Hmm? Are they swimming? Mm-hmm. Are you getting some good pictures, Bobby? There's another duck right there. So now we're by the chickens. Look at the chickens. What is that, a turkey? Oh wow. Is that a peacock? A white peacock? That one right there, is that a goat? Is a goat? Couple more little chickens. You looking at the goats, Mama? Look. They're standing up on the thing. There you go. You want to see you? Look.
This is a turkey. That's a big bird. Turkey bird. Turkey burger.
Sit down, Mama.
Sit down.
There's an ostrich. Yeah. What is that? A bird? A bird? I think so. It's not a ducky, it's a bird. An ostrich. What you talking about, Mama? What are you talking about, Mama? Ooh, look how pretty. He's big, huh? He's a big one. A big guy. Ooh. Look, it's a horsey. And there's a pig over here, Bobby. Do you need help?
Well, there's a shady. Okay, I do it again.
Someone is being a diva and wanted to get out of her car seat or her stroller. Adeline, come here. Come back over here. We're going this way. We've already gone that way. Oh, grumpy baby. You being a little grumpy butt? And she's getting kind of hot and she's probably hungry too, so we're almost done. What are you hissing at? Hmm? buffet. Are you hungry for the buffet, Bobby? Come on, Mama. Let's go eat. You hungry? You hungry? Come on.
Sorry.
It's okay. She's holding Bobby's hand. She's holding my hand. Hey guys, we're home now. We went to the Aliante, or no, we went to the Red Rock Buffet today. Say hi. Hi. She got her peach and she got her ball. And we also went to, after Red Rock Buffet, we went to downtown Summerlin. Come here. So I showed my grandma downtown Summerlin Mall for the first time. Say hi. Say hi, baby. So yeah, I showed my grandma the mall. We drove around just for a little bit. We didn't walk around because Eddie fell asleep and it was hot. And I'm hot now. But we came home, I checked the mail, and we're just gonna hang out until my mom comes and picks up Addie, and until Brandon comes home. So I think I'm pretty much ending the vlog right now. I don't think we're doing anything else this evening that I can think of. So yeah, I'm pretty much probably gonna end it right now. So thank you guys for watching so much, and I'll see you next time. Say bye. Say bye, guys. Say bye, guys. All right, bye.